Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your LawPay account. Follow these steps to enable 2FA and protect your financial information. Step 1. Log into your LawPay account. Access your LawPay account by entering your username and password. Ensure you are using a secure network to prevent unauthorized access. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. This is usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard or under a menu option labeled Settings. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication option. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open a password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Select the option to enable two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to choose your preferred method of receiving the authentication code, such as via SMS or an authentication app. Step 5. Verify and save changes. Follow the prompts to verify your chosen method. Once you receive the verification code, enter it as instructed. Finally, save your changes to ensure that 2FA is activated on your account. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your LawPay account, enhancing your security and protecting your sensitive information.